Hi there, so you're looking to integrate Redbooth with TestLodge. Not a problem. Once set up, tasks will be created automatically whenever a test fails. Simple. Let's see how it works.
Firstly, we need to grant TestLodge access to your Redbooth account. We can do this by selecting Issue Trackers from the side menu and choosing to create a new integration. Select Redbooth from the dropdown and click the Authenticate link, which will send you over to Redbooth to provide access. From here, we need to associate a TestLodge project with a workspace in Redbooth. This is where your tasks will be created. To do this, edit a TestLodge project and select the Redbooth integration that you just set up. Choose the correct workspace ID from the list and save the changes. Now, if we go to create a new test run from an existing suite, whenever a test fails, TestLodge will automatically create a task in Redbooth, taking away the tedious job of manually creating them. Additionally, we can also set other Redbooth options such as the assigned user and the list to create the task in directly from TestLodge. If you'd rather update an existing task, just associate it with the test and TestLodge will add a comment to this existing ticket instead of creating a new one.
Let's quickly jump over to Redbooth, where tasks for the failed tests have been created, all of which contain the relevant and important information for a developer to replicate and fix the issue. Once all issues are resolved, we can go back to TestLodge and choose to rerun all the failed tests to verify any fixes. There are some other pretty cool features too. You'll have the ability to request TestLodge to pull back the Redbooth task status of all failed tests within a test run. Not only that, but you can rerun tests based on the result in TestLodge as well as the task status in Redbooth. This means we could create a rerun with all tests that have failed which have resolved tasks in Redbooth. When executing the rerun, if a Redbooth task has already been associated with the test, TestLodge will update this instead of creating a new one. You can even change the Redbooth task status, move the task to a different list, and reassign the issue to a different user directly from TestLodge. And that's it. It's that simple. So head to testlodge.com for your free 30-day trial.